This is a stock BMW M135I. As you can see from standing, it sits fairly high. That is it till today, where we're going to be installing Vmax springs and also wheel spacers as well, alongside a Maxton design kit as well. So let's just get this inside and crack on with it. So they have the 135i finished off nicely with sort of like an OEM Plus kit from Maxton Design, and also with the Vmax Lowering springs as well. Alongside the wheel spaces, it's given a nice OEM Plus sort of finish to the 135i. This Maxton kit consists of this rear spoiler lit, the gloss black rear diffuser, gloss black side skirts extensions, and the gloss black front splitter. Now all of this is available. The link is in the description box below. That will take you directly to our website. If you need fitting, just contact us. The springs and spacers are also available, all as one big kit. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.